Ian De Leon ayaw man sabihin ang problema sa gitna ng umiinit na batuhan ng salita ng kanilang ate na si Lotlot De Leon hinggil sa isyu ng pamana ni Nora Honor, ay narito po ang tunay na reason bakit nga ba nagkaroon ng problema sa magkakapatid. Update, Ian De Leon, sinagot na ang mga naging pahayag ni Lotlot De Leon at nagbigay pa ng screenshot ng Zoom meeting nila Matet at Kiko. Naging pahayag ni Ian, after mom died, nagmamadali kayong magtayo ng foundation kasi baka maunahan kayo ng iba. You think SEC will approve random people to put up a foundation using mom's name? That time, I said, I'm not ready to commit dahil gusto kong ayusin muna nila yung legal papers niyan. I know the plans and my suggestion to them is that fix the legalities first before launching it. Days and days after launching, I was monitoring their SEC registration but it's still not yet up. The staff of a significant figure even informed us that they donated and may nilapitan pa silang isang malaking tao. Also, the office informed us but they hesitated to donate, which made me post a statement to protect my family in case of any legal problems. Gusto nyo akong i-entrap during one event to sign something without telling right away what our dinner is all about. That's why pala you have your lawyers with you. Thankfully, this person asked us for dinner that I can't decline. The projects, plans for the legacy are the first to come before fixing any legalities and was still a concept at the time. Now there are issues, but the planning are still ongoing. I cannot just stop what I'm doing just because of the issues, and why am I going to include a person who refuses to cooperate? He never told us anything, so wala na yung Zoom meeting ng 2 beses sila umattend. Wala na din yung during 40 days na nag-decline ka, at sinungaling din ba si Tita T na tinatawagan ko to join us pero sabi mo na kasi may work ka pa naman at inuna kasi akong kinausap. Why? Is it because it was me? Why? Who put down the siblings? Did you even watch the whole show before reacting? Kayo lang ba ang pwedeng magpa-interview? I don't go out just like that. It's for Father's Day episode. Enough with the lies. You stop telling lies, especially to my dad. Tinuring mo akong kapatid, tinuring kitang parang totoong kapatid, and I still call you ate. Sa akin na lahat. After the state funeral, when 5 of us are talking, I was clear that told you guys na tulong-tulong tayong 5 dito at maging transparent sa isa't isa, and everything will take time and everything will divided equally. Pero ang palabas is madamot ako. Why? Sino ang may inaagaw? I didn't say na may inaagaw kayo. Why say that? To put me down? Yan po ang naging pahayag ni Ian De Leon. Ano kaya ang masisay dito ni Lotlot? Yan ang ating update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.